Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a video of how I do my nails. I don't use acrylic, I use dip powder, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on what I do. The kit I got is from Sally's. It's called Dip Kit by Beauty Secrets. I really recommend this one. It's easy for beginners. And it came with two colors, one pink, one nude. The pink one has a lot of sparkles, and please don't mind my nails. I know they look ratchet. I'm about to do them right now. Well, it came with 4 bottles, step 1, step 2, step 3, and then it has a brush cleaner. So step 1 is the nail primer, step 2 is the dip gel, and step 3 is the gel activator. So the dip powder I'm going to be using today is from Quick Dip. It's also from Sally's. It's in the color Dusty Rose. It's a really pretty color. Some of the things that you're going to need is a buffer, a nail file, a nail clipper, and just a cheap synthetic brush. You also need nail glue and cuticle oil. So you're gonna need nails. I got these both from the beauty supply store for about $5 each. One is clear and one is more of like a whitish kind of color. The clear ones are a lot easier and they're bendable, so it's a lot easier to shape. The white ones are a lot thicker, so if you're doing long nails, I would advise you to use the whitish kind of color ones. If you're doing short nails, you could use the clear. So these are my nails. They look really ratchet and beat up. I can see that. We're about to take care of that right now. So today I decided to use the clear nails. You're just gonna wanna get your glue ready. You wanna make sure that the nail fits properly on your nail and it's not coming over the sides. And if it is, you can always take your nail file and file it down a little bit to match your nail size. I'm just gonna repeat this process to all of my nails. So now that we get everything ready, we're gonna get started. So now you're just gonna put a very small dot of the glue on the very tip of the nail. So now we're just gonna repeat the process to all of my nails. So this is how they're looking so far. I'm just gonna repeat the same thing to my other hand. So this is all the nails glued on. So now I'm just gonna cut them down to my desired length. Today I'm gonna go for a really short natural look. So now I'm just gonna shape the nails. I want it more like a sleek look. I don't like wide nails, so I'm gonna make sure that they're very slim. It was super awkward trying to file my nails and record at the same time, especially like the way the camera was angled and how to do it. It was just really super awkward. I normally just do it right in front of me, so it's a lot easier, but to do it on the table so that way you guys can actually see what I'm doing was super awkward. You want to make sure that all your nails are even, so I would advise you to put each nail next to each other to make sure that they're going straight across even. So now you just want to make sure to get everything ready. I have the step 1 nail primer and the step 2 dip gel. Right now I'm just priming my nails and I'm putting that on my actual nails, not the tips. I'm just grabbing the step 2, which is the dip gel. Now you're gonna paint your actual nails and the tips, everything together as if you're just polishing your nails, and then you're gonna dip it into the dip powder going face down. You're gonna wanna take that synthetic brush and just tap your finger and also brush it to make sure that you get all the excess powder off. I also brush it so that way it doesn't get all clumped up together when I keep dipping it into the powder, so that way you can get the smoothest finish that you can. You're just gonna repeat this process to every single nail. I'm just gonna repeat this process with me dipping my nail into the powder for about 3 times, so that way it could get thicker. So this is how my nails are looking after being dipped 3 times. I know they look so weird, but we're about to fix it right now with the file. You're just gonna wanna take your file and reshape every nail and make sure that they have the original shape that you wanted, and make sure that you file around your cuticle to get that smooth look. Make sure you also sand on top of the nail so that way it can come out real smooth before you buff it over. We're just gonna repeat this process to all the nails. This is how mine came out after I'm done shaping them. Now we're just gonna buff everything out. This is how my nails look after I buffed everything over. So now the last step that we're gonna do is step 3, which is the gel activator, and we're gonna put that on every nail. So now I'm just gonna take some Essie nail polish in the color High Maintenance, and I'm gonna polish all over my nails. You can actually just use clear and that's it, but I'm gonna start with the Essie one first. I know the Essie color didn't do much, but it made it just a little bit of a lighter pink. After we're done polishing, we're gonna let it dry for about 10 minutes. So now I'm just gonna put the top coat on, and this one is from Sally Hansen. So this is how the nails look with the top coat. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of the cuticle oil and I'm just gonna put it on a cotton ball and I'm gonna apply it to my cuticles. So this is the final result. If you want, you can wipe off the excess with a towel, or you can just wash your hands when you're done. I'm just gonna wipe off the excess. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, deuces.